Hello everyone, welcome to Caster Squad. So today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows search issue by troubleshooting. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. So let's start the video. Here you can see my Windows search bar is not working. I search for anything but it is not working. So open settings. Here click on update and security. On left side goes on troubleshoot. So here select option ask me before running troubleshooters and click on additional troubleshooters. In additional troubleshooters scroll down and click on search and indexing and here click on run the troubleshooter. So what problem do you notice? So here you can check any option. I check can't start a search or see result and file, folder, app or setting don't appear in results. From here you can check any option. So now click on next, detecting problems. So here you can see problem found, Windows search is not working. So now click on try these repairs as an administrator. Again check in these two options. Click on next. So here you can see Windows search is not working, problem is fixed. So close the troubleshooter and now I search for Chrome and you see now it is working. I search for PyCharm and it is also working. So if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.